We got a nice little trout there. Come here. There we go. We're gonna have some pan-fried trout. I got it all cleaned up and descaled, and that's what it's gonna be for breakfast. All I'm gonna have is spuds and my trout, and I'm only gonna use salt and pepper and butter. That's it, and cook it in the fry pan. With that said, let's get this going. All right, we got the potato ready. Fish is all set. Now we're just gonna get this pan ready here. I like to use a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, along with the butter. Just helps keep the butter from burning so much. Get some of these potatoes in there. Okay, now that we're starting to get some good color on one side, we're gonna go ahead and flip them all and add the fish. Our nice little trout. Yeah, look at that. Perfect fit. Alright, everything's coming along good. Bottom side's getting pretty close to done. Potatoes doing alright. Trying to keep them from getting overcooked while we're waiting for this fish to get done. We'll just keep shifting them around. Now I want to note, I did not touch this trout since I put it down there. We're going to leave that sitting still until we're really sure that that bottom side's pretty good. We're getting close because I can see the ribs starting to separate off of the meat on the inside there. See that? So now we're going to give her a flip. Let's see if we can do it without a spatula. See if it'll come out with just this. Oh yeah. Look at this. Watch. It's not going to stick at all. Cool. Now, this meat down here is all done already. Now we just got to get this other side. Looks like we're done. Looking pretty good inside there. Turn the heat off. Let's go eat. And you know what I'm going to do? I found a slab of wood. I'm going to use that for a hot plate. And I'm going to eat right off of my cast iron skillet. And that way my food will stay warm. And watch this. The skin is going to pull right off of there. Losing a little bit here, not too much. And you can actually even eat that skin if you want. It's good. It's crispy. Salty, of course. I just salted it. No, I didn't. Well, some hit it from the potatoes. But I like the skin too. Now we can salt the fish a little bit. Might put a little pepper on it too. And this should pull right off of there. Good. Okay, there it is. How to catch, cook, and eat a trout. I hope you get out there and do it soon. Talk to you later.